Hello people and welcome back to yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. In today's episode, we'll show you how to properly behave in case you get pulled over by the police. Make sure to sit tight and watch carefully. After all, you may apply some of these things for yourselves. This biker noticed another biker who was drunk, judging by the way he's riding. This guy's all over the place and he got involved in multiple close calls. You won't believe what happened next.
Trying to do, man. Wow, that was close. डेंजरस में आगे पुलिस रहेगी ना, मैं उनको जाके इन्फॉर्म करने वाला हूँ पहले, अगर वो वहाँ पे जा रहे होंगे तो। येलो डिओ वाले दोनों पीले लेफ्ट राइट होते हैं, बघा पकड़ा पकड़ा पकड़ा।
Police officer tried to stop him, but the drunk biker showed no signs of pulling over on his own. So they took drastic measures. Hats off to the biker who notified the police about this threat on the road.
Welcome. Thank you, sir.
It's never a wise idea to break the speed limit, but when you're riding a sports bike, you get so absorbed in it that you don't realize how fast you're going. Check out what this police officer had to say when he pulled up to the biker.
92 miles per hour. Do you want to go to jail? I don't want to take you to jail. I ride you, man. State troopers at my radar, they will take you. Have a good day.
Biker was swerving in his lane just to warm up his tires. This behavior was a bit strange for the officer and he pulled him over. This is what happened next.
Hello.
How you doing?
Doing good.
Sergeant Keller with the Sheriff Department. Got your driver's license, registration. What's all the...
Just trying to put some heat in my tires.
Trying to what?
Warm up my tires a little bit. That's literally, I do it every morning. Just a little bit of...
Never heard of that.
It warms them up a little bit.
I passed 2 cars and they're pointing at you one.
Yeah, a lot of people don't know what it is, but I mean, it definitely, it helps a little bit.
Maintaining your lane.
Yeah.
Just when you're doing that and people's looking at me going, hey, what the crap?
Yeah.
We'll check it out. You don't ever know.
I understand.
All right, be careful.
All right, brother. I appreciate it.
These guys got to be one of the most cool and honest group of bikers out there. Whenever they get pulled over, they're always so chill, honest and calm. It's so rare to see people like that nowadays. Someone called the cops on them for doing wheelies, and when the cops arrived, this is how the situation unfolded.
Yeah.
Give us a second.
What'd you say?
So give us 1 second.
All right.
What are you guys up to?
We're just waiting on our buddies. We're waiting on one more person to show up, and we're gonna go on a little ride down to the 17.
We got called that you guys are doing wheelies up and down the parking lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna deny it.
That's fine, that's fair. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
So, were you guys just leaving now?
Yeah, well, we're just waiting on wherever the crew went. Yeah, we're waiting on them to leave. We were waiting on one more person to show up.
What are you guys doing out here?
We were just talking about that. We were just having, while we were waiting, we were just kind of messing around a little bit. But yeah, probably shouldn't have, but.
Where are you guys going after this?
We're gonna go down Thunderbird and I got to go home because I wake up early for work, and they're all going to hit the 17 and go to Norterra. Okay. Yeah. So we're just kind of...
Okay, you guys do know that's a crime, right? Doing wheelies?
I understand, yes sir, yeah. Okay. I got bored, man. I didn't really... Yeah, I'm sorry, man. Yeah.
Alright, man, look, if you guys are leaving, I don't have a problem with it.
Okay.
Okay?
I understand.
Make sure don't do it again.
Okay.
You guys got IDs on you?
Yeah. It's in my bag, though. Can I grab it real quick?
No weapons on?
I don't have anything on me, no. You want that? There you go. Yeah. Thanks, man. All right, thanks, guys.
Your iPro.
I got you, yeah. All right, let's mob.
Biker thought he was getting pulled over because of his Halloween costume. He had a fake gun around his leg that was a part of it, but he was pulled over for a completely different reason. Check out the mass confusion at first.
Yeah, up here. It's an airsoft gun. Huh? It's an airsoft gun. I don't know if you noticed that. It's on my thigh. It's on my thigh. It's my Halloween costume. No, it's on my thigh. Right here.
You mind if I take it?
Yeah, go ahead. Take it all the way out. It has a Velcro and then a little, like, button. The clip is broken, so it doesn't even hold BBs. Yeah. You could put it wherever you feel comfortable putting it.
I don't know if it's the smartest thing to be riding around with, but I appreciate your honesty. You tell me you have it.
Yeah, no.
It looks like a real gun.
Yeah, no, I know. Right. It's part of the costume. That's why I was like.
Listen, the reason I'm stopping you is I don't see a plate on your bike.
Yeah, it's right here. The thing in the back little like plate holders, one of them fell off with my other plate on the parkway. So I'm waiting for the new ones to come in, which is like the OEM style ones that go back here and they stick up.
You have it on you?
Yeah. I have it right here. Can I get off? Registration. Okay. And then my insurance is on my phone.
Yeah, let me see your driver's license.
Oh, okay. It's in my bag as well, on my bag. Okay. There you go, both IDs.
All right, just hold on to that. Let me just make sure everything's good, all right?
Yeah, no problem.
I'm not gonna lie to you, man. I thought for sure as soon as I lit this up, you were gonna be rocking. No. That happened to me. I go, all right, here we go, and now it's gonna turn my lights off. All right.
Tom's River pulled me over, Manchester pulled me over, and they say the same thing. Like, you look back, I thought.
This is exactly why you should never run from cops and why we encourage you to pull over on your own and face up to the mistake you've made. In most cases, cops will appreciate the honesty. Biker ran a red light, but what he didn't count on is the fact that a police officer saw it and he pulled him over. Check out how quickly they sorted the issue out.
Not too bad.
Did you happen to be with the other guy?
No.
Going down Mountain Road?
No, I just didn't expect that light to switch so abruptly.
Well, it was, you had a red and the green is for straight. You're not supposed to turn left on that.
Yeah,
right?
I expected it. I didn't.
Okay.
Like I said, I didn't expect it to jump that quick.
It's all right. Good enough.
Oh, thank you.
You're good to go.
Thanks.
Cops noticed the biker doing some wheelies, and of course they didn't like it. He got pulled over, and let's just say that this time it didn't end quite well.
Yeah, and I mean, these things are tanks, so you can drop them down a freaking mountain.
Did you see him when you...
Not at all. Not at all.
You said you looked at him.
I looked around. I didn't see him though. Yeah.
He just said, y'all looked at him, made eye contact, and you said off the wheelie and kept on going.
So you were charged with reckless operation today, okay? And you understand why I'm charging you with that?
Just because I popped up a wheelie?
Yeah, several of them when you're riding down the road.
Yeah, there's the police checkpoint. Okie doke. License? Yeah. From UK. Yeah.
You have a license in UK?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Take care. There was a
Cop was trying to catch a random biker and he pulled over this one to see if they're buddies. This biker, however, was on his own, but this encounter was so wholesome. Check it out.
Huh?
Buddies with the other guy stopped earlier?
No.
Oh, you weren't riding with someone else?
No, I'm just coming from Tampa, Harley.
Yeah. You guys were going down. I thought you were with him.
No.
Stopped there. You have your license?
Yes.
Just for the muffler. We're doing a motorcycle safety grant. So. All right. Got an endorsement, I'm sure?
Yes, it's over.
Okay, cool. This is just a safety checklist and all the state statutes and violations or whatever and everything we're looking for during the, just to make sure you're in compliance.
Yeah,
check them out.
I got the sticker.
Oh, let me see. Oh, okay, yeah. See, I never.
So I have a question about that.
Biker had a question about the color lights and he didn't hesitate to ask the cop about it. He's seen a lot of bikers with color lights and asked if there was a catch about it of some sort. But that's not all.
From a certain distance, but like, because I see they have the underglow or the under the tank thing, and they're riding down the road and it's all lit up.
Well, it's specifically red or blue.
Well, I see blue all
So
the time.
blue, yeah, blue can't have.
Yeah.
No car or any kind of vehicle can have blue. Dude, I'm sitting here talking to you, 19 motorcycles go by. What the hell?
But none of them got thunder headers.
Yeah.
I'm actually fixing
that
to
guy don't
change
have an
the-
endorsement.
Huh?
That guy won't have an endorsement.
No. I'm
Cruisers
fixing-
have endorsements.
If you ever wondered how does it look like when a biker shows a cop a close call he recorded on his camera, well, say no more. This biker pulled up a short video of someone cutting him off and he casually showed it to the officer.
It's a short video. The lady wasn't even looking in my direction.
This is on Ehrlich?
No, it's on Del Mabry up there by Cheval.
Oh, okay.
No, that's my GPS. Now, at this point, I'm doing about 50, 55-ish.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't really look at the speed, but coming up right here. You hear me hitting the brakes? She wasn't even looking. I was like, F you.
That's I was telling the other guy. Most of the time people are like, oh man, I ride a motorcycle. I'm real safe, you know.
I mean, I've got
I said, I
tons of
get
them
it.
on here.
But people violate you guys right away all the time.
Yes.
And when that happens,
that's why I wear this. So that way, if I get hit, I can go, just a moment, officer, and I pull it up, and I go, now you need to write her a ticket.
Yeah.
And I'm pressing charges for whatever.
Yeah.
Vehicular assault.
Yeah.
But I tell these people all the time, I'm like, hey, the ones that are like, well, you bikers, I mean, don't even start with that, you bikers thing. I'm wearing this, and these.
We don't ask much from drivers, just the basic things. Indicate, pay more attention at your mirrors, and always be aware of your surroundings, which means put your phones down and eyes on the road. And with this clip, we come to a conclusion of yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something as well. Whenever you're dealing with an officer, please don't run away. Yes, you may escape and avoid a ticket, but it's bad looking at it long term. And besides, that only makes other bikers look bad as well. If you like this type of content, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe, because it helps a lot. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.